Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we have to unbox this new Insta 360 X3. I'm excited to unbox this, guys. Stay tuned to my channel. This Insta 360 X3 has 1/2 inch 48 megapixel sensor and 2.29 inch touchscreen display. It has captured 6K 360 video and with active HDR, and captured photo in 72 megapixel with stunning details and shoot 8K 360 time-lapse. This new 360 camera doubles as a standard action with a single lens mode upgraded to ultra-wide 4K. This 360 has a 6-axis gyroscope and flow state stabilization to keep the video stable. And this Insta 360 X3 has a 6-axis gyroscope and flow state stabilization to keep the video stable even in all action. Other features include waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meters out of the box, and 2.29 inches tempered glass display touchscreen, direction focus audio, and 1800 mAh battery.